How to fix games not opening on your Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you are facing this error, here is few solutions that you can apply. So first of all, you need to open Registry Editor. For that, you can open it via the search bar. Then after, open the folder HKey classes root. Scroll down until you find .exe folder. Once you tap on this folder, click on the default, right click on it and go to modify. Then after on the value data, make sure exe file is written. Then tap on OK. Once you do so, let's move on to the next step. Scroll down again until you find exe files folder. Click on it and on the right side of the screen you will see default file. Right click on it and go to modify. Make sure that the value data is written as application. Now extend the exe file and go to shell. Under shell, click on open and go to its default. Go to its modify and make sure that the value data is set to null or nothing at all. Once this is done, you need to go back and restart the device and you will notice that the issue is fixed. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.